we're going to show you how to change the spot welding arms on the Quick Spot 2. And what we've got here is the 13 3/4 inch arms, center electrode, and we're going to put in the standard arms. We have a 5mm Allen. You simply loosen the Allens. Pull the arms out and put in the other arms. Now, when you put the other arms in, you can see we're all the way up. Probably going to have to adjust the electrode also. And in this instance, it's important that these be lined up in the same plane. So we need to adjust these so they're in line with each other. So this upper electrode is too long. The easiest way to move it is just to squeeze it. And ideally we want these to be perpendicular when the arms are closed. So I need to move this out just a little bit so that the electrodes meet. And then we're going to tighten up this Allen. So it's important that these are in the same plane this way and that they line up perpendicular like that. Here are a couple of tips. When you assemble these arms, make sure that you insert them so that the Allens are up so you can grab all 4 Allens without having to flip it over and work the other side. Another thing to make it easier to install these, so use a paint marker to mark the arms. And that way you know how far they go in, and also mark up here, and that way you know if the clamping pressure moves the electrode, because if the clamping pressure moves the electrode, then you won't have sufficient clamping pressure and it will blow a hole.